In this video, I will show you how to make your Instagram account private. If this guide helps you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. So of course, the first thing we're going to do is to open up Instagram on our phone. Then go to your profile. This is going to be at the bottom of your screen. And in the top right corner, you're going to select the three lines that you see right here to open up settings. Now you're going to scroll down and you're going to select account privacy. You're going to enable the first option, which is automatically going to make your account private. Instagram is going to show you this little message asking you if you wish to switch to private account, and that now only your followers are the ones that are going to see your photos and videos. Also some changes that might happen in regards to the reuse of your content and also your tags or mention. If you're sure about your decision, simply tap on switch to private, and now your Instagram account will be private. I hope this video helped you, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Bye!